Racing just is started. We have Madam Leonora break quickly at the start. Golden Square Playboy is down on the inside. Perfect pass. Then next on line is a toy for us. While 5 o'clock is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Playboy by our length and a half. Golden Square is right when in second. Madam Leonora is racing in third. Moving up now at the outside is Perfect pass. Then next on line is Atoy for us, while 5 o'clock is still racing in 6. Back to the leader, we have Playboy by about 3 lengths, and in second is Golden Square. Madam Leonora remains in third. Perfect pass is on the outside. Fourth, Atoy for us comes next, while 5 o'clock is still racing in less than at the far turn. We have Playboy by our length and a half. Golden Square in second. Madam Leonora now trying to get closer in third. Perfect pass, 5 o'clock, while Atoy for us now racing in less than they are now entering the home stretch. Playboy by our length. Madam Leonora is down on the inside. Golden Square, 5 o'clock with about 100 meters of the race. We have Playboy by about 3 lengths, followed by Madam Leonora, 5 o'clock. And finally, it's going to be Playboy. Madam Leonora, then comes 5 o'clock, Golden Square, Perfect pass, and Atoy for us.
2-3-5-4, unofficial. Third choice lang sa ating bentahan. Naging second choice na yata. Si Flyboy.